How to play with friends on Monopoly Go. First things first is access your Monopoly Go application. And from here, all you have to do is on your lower right of your screen, you'll be able to see friends. Just simply tap on that. Now, there are actually three options right here, contacts, Facebook, and invite. As what you can see, Facebook is not visible right here because I have already connected my Monopoly Go through my Facebook account, so it will not be visible right here if you're already connected to it. Now, other thing you can do if you or your friends already played this game, all you have to do is to copy this code and then just simply share your friend code to another friend. But if you already have a code from your friend, then all you have to do is just to tap this magnifying glass right here and then type your friend's code. And then you can also invite other friends that haven't played this game yet. So if you tap on invite, the first option, you can either send it through WhatsApp, Messenger, Discord, through Facebook for them to be able to play this game. And you can also just directly press on Facebook invite for them to directly connect their account to Monopoly Go and download it via the Play Store. So those are the steps on how you can play with friends on Monopoly Go.